Drunkenness, alcohol policy to running staff. Drunkenness on duty, a safety hazard. Revised alcohol policy for Indian Railways 2001. Aims of the policy. The main aim of the policy is to prevent risk to co-staff, passengers and general public from abuse of alcoholic staff in safety category posts as well as those in public contact. Prevent any risk to safety in train operations from drunkenness on duty. Plan of action. Since running staff are directly involved in train running and mistake on part may cause a serious accident, which is detrimental to safe running of trains. The running staff shall undergo breathalyzer test both at the time of sign on and sign off. All the crew lobbies must be provided with state-of-art breathalyzers capable of indicating exact level of alcohol content in the blood, including printouts, need to be introduced. Loco inspectors should normally carry portable breathalyzers when going online. No running staff will be allowed to sign on for duty without undergoing the breathalyzer test. In case of positive, then printout of the readings must be obtained for further DAR action and endorsement should be made in his service records. Drunkenness policy. As per Railway Board letter dated June 1st, 2018, if running staff is found positive in the breathalyzer test, he should be sent for medical examination as per medical manual paras 565 to 567. If an employee fails in the breathalyzer test, second test should not be conducted and he shall be subjected to medical examination. Punishment norms as per Railway Board letter 27/11/2001. Staff who found alcohol limit between 1 to 20 mg per 100 ml in blood will not be allowed to perform duty. Alcohol limit between 21 to 40 mg per 100 ml in blood, minor penalty will be given. Alcohol limit between 41 to 70 mg per 100 ml in blood, major penalty will be given. Alcohol limit between 71 to 100 mg per 100 ml in blood, suspended immediately and disciplinary proceedings will be initiated. For repeated detection for 3 times irrespective of alcohol level, disciplinary proceedings will be initiated. As per Railway Board letter number dated 1/6/2018, during sign-off, if alcohol level between 1 to 40 mg per 100 ml, minor penalty will be imposed. Alcohol level 41 to 100 mg per 100 ml, major penalty will be imposed. Thank you.